Okay, here we go. I'm going to try and help some guys out with some tricks.
To Tango 2.
Specifically trippy spins, because it's something I'm getting used to.
Switch warning.
Okay, let's change my camera to 4.3. I realised I'm running in 16.9. And I believe you don't get the, what do you call it? Yeah, I didn't realise that when you do 16.9, you're actually losing the top. So I thought that 4.3 was losing the edges the other way around, right? So, anyway. A few things I wanted to learn today too. So, where we go with that? I want to get better at Rufios. Like that. Yeah, it's flying nice today. Okay. So for a trippy, I want to approach. The most important thing is when I bank back initially, have I got enough power and enough pitch back? You know what I mean? Because a lot of people will start off, you know, coming to, I come into it. This is what's common for me anyway in the old days. I'd come into it and I wouldn't pitch back enough, right? So I'd go too far out on it initially. And so what I'm looking for right now is keeping that top of that tree in the center. And I went past it, so I'm fucked. Went past it. I could have flipped around and tried to reverse it, but I'm not that good. Okay, let's try it again. Come in, make sure I give it a hard pitch back to stall it. Once I start going backwards, make sure I start rolling. A lot of people probably won't fucking roll soon enough as well, or give it enough throttle to start actually going backwards. Because essentially, all this is just a reverse orbit, right? Like I'm just orbiting and going backwards, and now I'm getting too close, and now I'm fucked. And now, not too many Karens in Australia yet. Oh dude, I went to go, bounce right off it. I think that's called a laser flip, right? Yeah, I want to go through that gap up there. It shouldn't be too hard, right? Yeah, it's flying nice today. Shitty, that was shitty. Okay, I want to do like a Vanity roll. So you come past, you just like that, but that's not it. So I noticed Vanity was doing it, and he was on his half yaw, he was turning into like a half Rubik's cube thing, so like that, except for not on an angle. So it's something I suck at. So I suck at Rubik's cubes, like just straight up. Fuck, it's flying nice. Anyway, sort of does it like that. Oh dude, that was a hard hit. Fuck. I just cannot, for the life of me, get this fucking thing to flip over right. It sits on, oh mad. Dude, that's cool, let's follow this guy. That's like a, it's a fucking, come back. He's more maneuverable than me, how's this possible? Cool, man, it's Falcon. Well, every day you get to do that. Alright, I'm coming back. Running out of batteries. God, these things, after flying the 3-inch, or 3.5, sorry, just got no battery in this bitch. The actual stick movements, right? It's important to, when you get into it, right? Like I say, getting pitched back enough initially is the fucking hard part, right? Pitch back too much, obviously, you know, you're in trouble. But yeah, once you get used to it, it really does just sort of lock in like that. See, I went too far on that one. It's sort of like same as an orbit. You want to get it sort of even like that. There you go. And flip out. I just love doing laser flips, eh? Try another. I'll try Rubik's Cubes because I suck at them. Oh, that sucked. Yeah, I come out at an angle, so not good. Alright, let's try again. Okay. That was not even. Not even close. It's like 3 turns. So you want to. It's for me. It's about getting used to the idea of changing, getting level upside down and then changing back. It's because I don't do them much. It's confusing for me. I'm just fucking whipping everywhere now, not really doing anything. Okay, calm down. Okay, Rubik's Cube. Not even close. Try reverse. I haven't done one of them in a while, just a sideways one. Actually, alley-oop, I haven't done one of those in a while. You know, they're probably... Learning an alley-oop is probably a good start to a trippy. So you're supposed to come in... I don't know if I'm even doing it right. Oh, dude. Mince the ground. Fuck this thing. You can't get it upright. Like, it's like a fucking turtle on its back. It really is. I've always wanted to... Okay, from this tree. Out of volts again. That eagle is really got it in for this drone, eh? I'm running 40 degrees, okay? Just so everyone knows too, so anyone trying this. So for me, it's probably a bit easier to get that pitch backwards straight up and look upside down, you know, like. As far as like going up and down, like that's just a matter of how much orbital speed you got and all that too, and you pitch back, so, you know. Cool tree, this one. Oh shit. Try it again. Okay. Let's try something. Ah, that was pretty cool. Oh, I knew it.